If you find the Bentley too difficult or too easy to tilt, you may have to adjust the uplift setting. The uplift setting can be adjusted on the Bentley wheelchairs with 3 uplift forces available on the chair and more settings available through a different gas strut assembly. Begin by removing all the wheelchair accessories, including the front rigging, armrests, backrests, cushions, and driving wheels. The adjustments in this video will be easier with the chair flipped upside down. If possible, get someone to help you flip the wheelchair upside down and place a rigid box under the front of the seating surface to prevent the wheelchair from resting on the wheel locks. The Bentley has 3 different uplift settings. Adjusting the attachment point closer to the seat pan decreases uplift force, and adjusting closer to the lower frame increases uplift force. Loosen the subframe to gas strut attachment bolt and remove the lock nut. Grasp and lift the rear crossbar and remove the attachment bolt along with any spacers. Once removed, the lower frame can be rotated downwards to rest on the upper frame. The uplift adjustment holes are found on the subframe. Determine which hole will be used for the adjustment. Once the uplift adjustment hole is selected, align the subframe and gas strut and insert the attachment bolt along with any spacers. Install and tighten the lock nut. The adjustment is complete, and the wheelchair can be reassembled with all previously removed accessories.